नमस्ते ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स, भाइयों बहनों, लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन, स्टूडेंट्स, स्कॉलर्स, listeners, learners, professionals and officials, ministers and doctors, पूजनीय, सम्माननीय, वंदनीय, माननीय, fathers, mothers, sons and daughters, all are welcome. Those who belong to the field of science, commerce, arts and engineering. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. Your presence is praiseworthy, admirable, appreciable for knowing the truth of science and spirituality to the words of God. It is really the valuable asset and priceless opportunity that God providing us. So I thank God for this invaluable opportunity. Now we will know child care. Children are the future of the world. Their early years set the foundation for their life. If they understand what your children need, you can help them grow up strong, healthy and bright. Children need a secure and loving family, healthy food to help them grow, immunizations, right care to recover from common illness, a clean, well-kept home and surroundings, the family plan of your family. Small families are easier. Small families are easier to care for. Use birth control to delay pregnancy. Wait at least 2 years between babies. Wait at least 2 years between babies. This makes you strongest and means the babies are better fed. The first step, a healthy mother. Every pregnant woman needs care. Get at least 3 checkups during your pregnancy by a DAI, auxiliary nurse, midwife, ANM or doctor. Get 2 immunizations against tetanus during your pregnancy to protect your baby from dying of tetanus. Get iron and folic acid tablets from your ANM to prevent anemia and to make you and your baby strong. So warning, get medical help quickly. If you have vaginal bleeding, you cannot feel the baby move as much as before. You have labor pains for more than 24 hours. Eat well and eat for 2. Eat 200 grams means 2 handfuls of early green vegetables daily if possible, or at least twice a week. Eat dal, pulses, rice and roti. Use only iodized salt to prevent goiter. Get extra food from your nearest Anganwadi center. Care of newborn babies. Cut the umbilical cord with new sterilized scissors or blade. Sterilize the thread you use for tying the cord. There is no need to put anything on the cut surface of the cord. Do not hold the baby upside down. Do not bath a newborn baby right away. Instead, wipe the baby clean and keep baby warm. So how do we start caring our baby at our home? What kind of nutrition should be given to the baby? It should be followed. Feeding your child, what kind of nutrition? Breast is best for infants. Breastfeed the baby for the first 4 months. No other foods. Do not waste your first milk. Colostrum. Give this special milk to your baby as it protects the baby against disease. Breastfeed your baby within the first hour of birth. Introducing solid food. At 4 months, add soft mashed food, half a katori of day. Pulse continue breastfeeding even after starting solid food for at least 1 more year. At 6 to 9 months, increase soft mashed food 2 calories a day plus ghee. At 9 to 12 months, give normal family food twice a day, soft and mashed. Vitamin A supplements. Your doctor or health worker may recommend oral vitamin A supplements if your child needs it. Feed girls the same amount of food as boys. Your child can become sick or die if he or she does not eat enough of the right foods. Don't let this happen to your children. Feed them well. Feeding during illness. Children must eat to fight off illness. Give small meals more often. If you are breastfeeding, continue feeding during baby's illness. Feed small amounts and more often. If the baby or child refuses food, feed him or her anyway. Give small, soft and easy to swallow foods. For measles, give vitamin A supplements as soon as possible. If your child has a nose infection and has the trouble breathing, put some drops of salt water in the nose to help clear it. Feeding children who have diarrhea. Children and infants with diarrhea lose vital fluids very quickly. Give plenty of clean fluids including oral dehydration salts (ORS). After each episode of diarrhea, you can make ORS solution at home. Take a pinch of salt, a palmful of sugar, a glass 200 ml of clean water or rice water. Stir and have the child drink it or spoon feed it. Dilute milk with 50% clean water to make it easier to digest. Feed your child even though they have diarrhea at least 4 times a day. Use solid and dense foods like kachori or cooked skinless potato with a little ghee, or rice and diluted dals. Your child will get better quicker if you give extra food. Sorry. Take the child to a doctor if the diarrhea is mild but lasts more than a day. So warning, take children to the doctor immediately if they have 6 or more big